up to, and this is where I'm going to show you how to use your compressed JPEG and upload it to the FTP using the Cyberduck instructions. And you can see on the screen on the right hand side there's a Word document with the PJD FTP via Cyberduck FTP. That is available on Moodle. Simply just click onto it and it'll download. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run through these instructions with you very quickly on the screen, showing you how to upload to the PJD FTP site using Cyberduck and following these instructions step by step. So there's the instructions there that I've downloaded straight from the Moodle page, week 1. And now basically what I want you to do is I want you to find Cyberduck. Now Cyberduck is available on all the Macs in Hardwick. All you've got to simply do is go to the applications, and I'll show you that now, applications menu, and select the little plastic rubber duck icon. Failing that, if you've got your own Mac or a laptop PC, you've got a clickable clickable link to Cyberduck to download the program free of charge to your own machine if you're using your own laptop. So I'm going to take this from the perspective that you've either got it on your laptop already, or you're using one of the computers in Hardwick if you don't have a computer with you. So first things first, when you go into the Mac, you go up to this first toolbar here, and we're going to go to Go, Applications, and you've got the applications that are on the computer in front of you, and we're going to look for Cyberduck. There's a little plastic rubber duck, and we're just simply going to click onto Cyberduck, and you can see bouncing away in the bottom toolbar there is Cyberduck being launched. Cyberduck is going to basically put up this interface screen here, which allows you to connect to the FTP using a simple set of instructions and also passcodes which are contained on this sheet here, not surprisingly. So as we scroll through, it says once the program is open, click on Open Connection. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here in the Open Connection. And that's going to bring up this dialog box here, and we're going to check a few things on the handout here. It says, with the connection dialog open, add the following details in the editable spaces here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make sure that that port number is set to 21. Okay, leave it as 21, that's the default position, so make sure that that is set as a 21. And the server, we're going to put in FTP .6x4.co.uk. Slightly musical there for you today. And the username is going to be, yes, PJD at 6x4.co.uk. And the password is PJD123. I've already got it on my computer there. Lowercase PJD123. What do we do now? I think what we shall do is click connect. Let us click connect and discover ourselves together. Yes, we do want to continue. Hit that dialog box, and oh my goodness me, there we are onto the FTP site, and you can see in front of you here that you've got other student folders on there. So we're going to have to select a folder and create our own new folder if you want. And you can see that I've got my very own folder there, Mad Andy Moxon. I'm just detailing there. And I think you don't really need me to explain to you how to open a new folder. You simply go into the action here and select new folder, type your name on it, and then when you click into it, you can simply drag and drop your image. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I've created my new folder here, which is Mad Andy Moxon, and I can simply drag my folder on the desktop here, which is the compressed JPEG that I used using the compression JPEG options, the save as options in Photoshop. As a JPEG, I've compressed it down between 950k and 1.2 megabytes, and I can just simply do this. I can simply do this. There we go. Yes, I want to continue, and you can see, boom, there it is. It's downloaded. Click out of that box, and there's my image, Classroom Compressed 2 on the FTP site. Job done, end of video. Any issues, bring this up in class. This video is at one, obviously, that's following the JPEG compression. So compress your JPEG first of all using the first JPEG compression video, and that's available on the PJD website, on the PJD YouTube channel, so look forward to you can see it there. Alright, here endeth the lesson. Thanks very much for listening, and we'll speak to you all soon.